So hello guys. I'm gonna show you. I will check my the update of the bird. So he's still here. So andito pa rin siya guys. Nakalimutan ko nag-English na naman ako tuloy guys. So ayan, very poor. As you can see guys, hello. You have a really may sugat ka talaga. Oh, may sugat talaga siya dito. No. Ay no. No, come here. Come here. Come here and stay here. Come here. Oh, you stay. Okay. You hide there. Poor, very poor. Very poor naman. Ayun na siya guys. Okay, hindi ko na siya galawin. Rest ka muna dyan ha. Kawawa naman siya guys. Very poor naman. So ayun. Ang lagyan na ng chicken ko dyan. So buti na lang meron siyang nataguan guys. Ayan. Sige na. Okay lang dyan ka muna. So yun guys. Naku. Andyan na naman. You see. Hoy Ming, you get out there. Come here. Miming. You come here. Ming. Miming. No. Ayun si Miming, hopefully not Ming, what's your plan, Miming? Ming, don't bad. You come here. So guys, yan ang yun, ang mga chicken kong maliit. Ayan din sila guys. Hello. Ayun din ang iba. Hello. Ayan ang cute ko ng mga maliit guys. So ayan, ang ginawa kong pinagbisihan talaga yung last day, yung bahay nila guys. Ako ang nagkarpentera dyan kasi na-open talaga yan ng aso. So yun lang ang update natin guys. Ming, you come here? Si Miming, nako. Anong dapat kong gawin doon? Na hindi yun maano ni Miming. Sana hindi yun tingnan ni Miming guys. Ming, you come here, Ming? Ming! Miming, come here. Come to Mimi. Come. Where's Miming guys? As you can see. Okay. Come here, Ming. Don't plan bad ha, Ming. That's not good. So okay. Ayan din mga manok ko. Ayan sila guys. Ang dalawang maliit. Ito sila guys, ang cute talaga parang ang papaya nila guys, bantam. Bantam ba yun? Yung chicken na bantam. Hala, you bite, Miming? Si Miming nag-bite sa akin. Don't bite me. Your mouth. O, yan din yung So, yun. Naku, guys. So, yun lang ang update natin, guys. Si Miming why you do bite to me? Ay, nag-bite ka man sa akin, Ming? Why? Hala. So yun lang guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching guys. Maraming salamat. Have a good day.